to my channel. I am so excited for this video because I had been to Tulsi Bagh yesterday and I was so stunned and amazed to see such a big shopping center. Like if you go in the morning at 11 o'clock, you will end up coming home by 10 or 11. It literally takes 12 hours for you to shop in such a big shopping center. You get everything there, from household items to first copy makeup products and your tops, jeggings, your shadi wala dress. So guys, let us start with the least amount of rupees that I've spent on the products. I have bought some earrings which are like for 10 rupees. These are the earrings which are for 10 rupees and they look simply awesome when you wear it on a kurta. And these are for some 30 rupees. And the same goes with these. I'm just going to wear these earrings and show you how cool it looks. I am super obsessed with these feather earrings. They are for 100 bucks. Actually no, these are for 50 bucks. I'm super obsessed with these earrings. These are for 50 rupees only and they look so cool with any kurtas or any fashionable tops you wear. And these earrings here, they're also for 50 rupees only. And yeah, this one I got it for 60 rupees. Yeah, and I'm super obsessed with these woolen balls over here. They look so cute. And this again is for 30 rupees. Like these were the earring collections that I got from Tulsi Bagh and I'm so happy with them. I just tried out all the earrings and I'm like super excited to wear it in my next videos. And I got these brushes, all the 4 brushes, which is an angular brush, this is some cheek rose brush, this is your eyeshadow brush. And these are for 70 rupees, like the whole set is for 70 rupees. And now comes the lipstick part. I got these lipstick. This is a nude shade. This is from ADS brand. This is not a first copy one. And this is NYN. This doesn't look like lipstick. And like I'll just show you. It is like this. And this one is a matte lipstick. It's in a poppy pink color which looks really awesome. And this one, and this has like, you press this and the lipstick comes down. This is in a beautiful nude shade. I will show you all the swatches. And now comes the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick products. These are like simply awesome. Actually I saw some online stores wherein they sell it for 800, 900, the first copy ones. And I must tell you something, that I have never used first copy products. This is the first time I got these first copy products and I was simply so stunned and amazed at these products. Like I got 3 shades of them. These are the shades. The packing looks so similar to that of the original ones. Like these are like super matte and they stay for literally the whole day. They are waterproof, you can say, because I tried removing them and they were like so difficult to remove it, even with the water. And they are like simply wow. I also got a MAC lipstick product. That is a first copy again, but this one was for 600 and the color of this lipstick is wow. And that is the lipstick that I'm wearing on my lips right now and it doesn't feel like you're wearing a lipstick. And also I got this color 36 from ADS. It's again a nude pink shade kind. I got this beauty blender. This is for like 50 rupees. And you get on the online stores and also in the markets for 100 rupees. Also, I would like to show you something that is like, this is for 100 bucks. Can you imagine? These goggles are like for 100 bucks and they look so cool. I just love this. He told me this was for 150. You should be good at bargaining and you will end up getting products for cheap rate. This is for 100 bucks again. And the Huda Beauty lipsticks, these were for 180 rupees each. Like they are totally affordable. And then I got these MAC fake eyelashes, and these are just for 50 bucks again. Okay, then I got these True Lip liners. Like, I got all of them because I was so happy that they were just for 20 bucks each. And these are not the first copy products. These are made in China. They are like True lip liners, and they are like super cool. And I also got some tops. Before that, I will show you a liquid foundation which I found on Amazon. I found on many Nykaa products and many things, but Blue Heaven foundation, which says it is an oil-free makeup foundation, and this is simply wow foundation, and you will be so amazed to listen to this price. This is just for 65 rupees, and this is the foundation. I have it on my face right now, and this is like totally affordable, guys. This doesn't give you a breakout. This doesn't make your skin oily. It's been literally 3 hours I'm having this makeup on my face, and they are like too good. Okay, then I will show you the tops that I've got from Tulsi Bagh. Okay, this one is a net top, like a pretty net top. You can say this is a little bit oversized for me, but I have to get the fitting done. You can wear it like under this spaghetti. You can wear a fluorescent top inside and wear it on that. It will look simply wow. I will show the photos. I will wear it and show it to you. And then I got this Pink Beauty peach color bag, which is just 250 bucks in Tulsi Bagh. Like, this one's also very cool. And I got these slippers, like these slippers which chappals you can say, heels, wedges, whatever you want. I saw these ones in like Mumbai, and they were for 500, 600. And this one, I'm so obsessed with these. They are like for, like he told me in the beginning that it was for 450, not 450, 540. I put them on and I was like, nahi bhaiya, nahi pasand aaya, and I was like, nahi itna acha nahi hai. And he was like, madam, aapke liye 300 mein de dunga. And I was like, 300 mein? Pack kariye abhi. And this was like too good. These are too good too. And I got some tops. Okay. And I got some tops as well. Like this one. This is a very poppy top. And I like the cutout that they have on, that will come on my shoulder. I'll just wear all these tops and show it to you. But this is like literally a very poppy color where you can wear a black leggings down there and wear it. And that is all, guys. I was so happy with the shopping that I did, and all the products were very affordable and very cheap. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will, and also put your request of which kind of videos you want me to do in the comments below.